In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create section grids in Wix Studio. Start by opening your design in Wix Studio so you can work directly inside the page where you want the new layout to appear. Once you're in the editor, move your cursor over the top or bottom edge of an existing section. You will see the option to add a new section. Click Add Section, then choose Blank. This gives you a clean starting point, which is ideal when you want full control over the grid layout instead of working from a pre-designed section. Next, go to the floating menu, or use the Add panel in the top left corner. From there, open Layout Tools and choose a preset grid layout. You can select something like rows, columns, or collage, depending on the kind of structure you want. Preset grids are helpful because they instantly create an organized framework, which makes it much easier to place and align your content. Once the grid is added, you can begin customizing the structure. If you want more detailed control, click on any individual cell and use the floating panel to split it either horizontally or vertically. This is useful when you want one part of the section to hold multiple pieces of content. You can also add more rows or columns by clicking the plus icons that appear along the borders between cells. Another option is to use the inspector panel where you can adjust the grid more precisely. To change the size of your cells, click and drag the blue grid handles until the proportions feel right for your design. If you want a cleaner, balanced layout, select the entire section and click Equalize Grid. That will make all the cells the same size, which is especially useful for neat, symmetrical designs. After the structure is ready, start adding content. Open the Add panel and drag in elements like text, buttons, or media, then drop them directly into the cells where you want them. You can also click on individual cells to style them in the inspector panel. From there, adjust things like background color, border radius, or padding to better match your site's visual style. To add a little more polish, try adjusting the gaps between cells or adding padding to the full section. This can help reveal the background and give the layout more breathing room, which often makes the whole section look more refined. Before finishing, switch to Mobile View from the top workspace. This lets you control how the grid behaves on smaller screens. You can rearrange the layout, flip columns, or convert the grid into rows, all without changing your desktop version. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Thanks for watching.